Envibio engineering and manufacturing teams initially focused on developing PEEK applications in the medical sector, where we would typically see the use of metals. Our engineering teams have broken through the glass ceiling of what we would class as traditional plastic moulding. They've been able to achieve moulded parts that would have previously been thought impossible to manufacture. Envibio, as part of the Victrex family, have strategically placed warehousing in our major geographies to ensure that we can place product in region, reduce our environmental impact and meet our customers' expectations on delivery. Envibio is now embarking on a global manufacturing strategy to better support our customers locally and drive greater sustainable solutions for the future.